Hi there, we will guide through how to copy text from an image. If you found this video helpful, please support us by subscribing and liking the video. Now here we have an image that I want to go and copy the text from. So to do this, we are going to use a website. Open your web browser. The site is called imagetotext.info. There it is. So you can drag and drop, upload or paste image here, and you can see the supported format here. I will click the browse, and where it is. Next, click on the convert in the bottom right. Now wait a bit, it won't take too long. Here it is. It's now gone and essentially extracted the text from the image. What you can then do this, you go over the right, click on the copy button, then you can paste it where you want to. In this case, I'm going to paste it here. So that's it. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please support us by subscribing our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.